Hello students. Welcome to Class 8 General Science. Today, we will read from your textbook, Bal Bharti, Chapter 2, Health and Diseases. This chapter helps us understand what health means, how diseases spread, and how we can prevent and treat them. 1. Have you ever taken the leave from school due to sickness? 2. What happens exactly when we become sick? 3. Sometimes, we feel good even without taking any medicines, and sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Why is it so? Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. What is disease? Condition of disturbances in physiological or psychological processes of body is called as disease. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. Types of diseases. You must have heard the names of various diseases like diabetes, common cold, asthma, Down syndrome, heart disease, etc. Reasons and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in scientific study of diseases, diseases are classified as follows. Types of diseases according to duration. 1. Chronic disease. 2. Acute disease. Hereditary diseases. X. Down syndrome according to reasons. Acquired diseases. Infectious diseases. X. Common cold, flu, dengue. Non-infectious diseases. X. Diabetes, heart diseases. 1. How do the following diseases spread? Hepatitis, malaria, scabies, TB, dengue, dysentery, ringworm, swine flu. 2. What do we mean by pathogen? 3. What do we mean by infectious diseases? A. Infectious diseases. Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors, insects and other animals are called as infectious diseases. Name of disease. Pathogen. Mode of infection. Symptoms. Prevention and treatment. Tuberculosis. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Spitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with and sharing of materials of patient. Chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation, difficult breathing. BCG vaccine, isolation of patient, regular medication like hepatitis, jaundice. Hepatitis virus A, B, C, D, E. Contaminated water, sharing of needles, blood transfusion. Anorexia, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, grey stool. Drinking boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Dysentery. Bacteria, virus, Shigella, bacilli, Entomoeba histolytica. Contaminated food and water. Watery stool, pains in abdomen. Drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food, ORS consumption. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae, bacterium. Contaminated food and water. Vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in legs. Following hygienic practices, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera, typhoid, Salmonella typhi, bacterium, contaminated food and water. Anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 140 F. Drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage. Prepare similar table of information about various diseases like enteritis, malaria, plague, AIDS. Internet. My friend 1. Search the reasons, symptoms and other information of chicken pox. 2. Collect additional information. A. Pulse polio drive. B. WHO. 1. Where do you see the waterlogged materials shown in picture? 2. Which hazards do you anticipate with the help of picture? Some important diseases of present days. 1. How can we observe personal hygiene? 2. Why should we drink boiled water in rainy season? 3. Why the Clean Hands Drive is run in schools? Dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den-1,4 virus belonging to the type Flavivirus. Symptoms. 1. Acute fever and headache, vomiting. 2. Pains in eye socket is very prominent symptom. 3. Decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Dengue. Reasons and preventive measures. Observe the pictures shown in following and write description in the boxes. Collect information. Which measures are taken for mosquito control by Gram Panchayat, Municipal Council, municipality of your area? Do you know? Malaria is spread by female Anopheles while elephantiasis by female Culex. Anopheles and AIDS grow in clean water while Culex in dirty, sewage water.